This video I'm going to show you how to replace a flat tire on a Toyota Camry. This is probably going to be same for almost all Toyotas and probably all other Japanese cars also. A couple of important things. You should know where to put up the jack. Most of the cars have a scissors jack. Where to put up the jack. What is the sequence in which to open the lug nuts? These are the lug nuts. These. What is the sequence in which to open, and what is the sequence in which to tighten? How to open these if they are very tight and almost impossible to open. So what are the techniques to be used? And last but not least, the safety. If you are on a highway, my recommendation is don't try to do this by yourself. A lot of people have died because of unattentive drivers simply running you over. So it's not worth the risk. Just call the tow service and they will come and do it for you. Unless you are on a by road or you can take your car off the highway and at a very, very safe distance. Otherwise, don't try to do it. It's very dangerous. It can be fatal. So first of all, where to put up the jack. Every car has a place here, as you can see. This place, this one, between the two notches, this and this. This is a reinforced area. This is where you put up the scissor jack. The technique of opening these lug nuts is you always go crisscross pattern. If you are opening this one, then go this one, then go this one, then go this one, then this one. And similarly, tightening also the same. Since these lug nuts are very tight, the best bet is try to loosen them a little bit before raising up the car, and then you can remove them fully. So I'll show you how to do it if they are very tight. It's a simple technique. You open the car, open the trunk. Since I had already installed the spare tire, so I'm going to show you how it is normally done. This is a special key which is used for opening this one. This is a special key which is used to open this one. All others can be opened simply with the lug wrench. I'll show you how. The lug wrench, it is lying under this mat, the trunk there, and the jack is there in that corner. It is secured with this rubber band. You loosen this and take out the jack. There is a handle for raising and lowering the jack. That handle, this wooden cover is broken, but you can find that handle here. This is that handle. So I'll show you how to do this job. Instead of using that scissor jack, I have my other hydraulic jack. I will use that, but rest of the process is the same. So here is how we go about it. The simplest way is put the lug wrench like this on the nut and push it down like this. When you fit it like this, then you can push it with your foot. Make sure your foot is 100% aligned in the middle, and then you can push it. Here you go. You see? This. Similarly, all others. make sure it is snugly fit. Again, do like this, and similarly for all others. So after finger tightening all the bolts, I will drop the car and then tighten everything. So I will drop the car, pull out the jack, and now using this, I will tighten the bolts. First one side, going to the opposite one, pushing it down like this. Using the key to lock this one bolt, nut side. Now crisscross pattern this one. Every time you're tightening, make sure this is properly seated, because if it slips while tightening, you will hurt yourself. So all of these are tightened adequately. That's it. Job is done. Thanks for watching.